Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a jacuzzi in Minecraft. First, you will need to gather some key materials. Grab at least 2 water buckets, some soul sand, and your favorite building blocks. Think about where you want to place your jacuzzi. A 4x4 block area is a great starting size. This will be the foundation for your relaxing new spa. Now, let's start building. Begin by digging a 2-block deep hole within your 4x4 area. Next, place soul sand on the entire bottom layer of this excavated space. This special block is crucial for generating those wonderful bubbles. Then, construct the walls of your jacuzzi, making them at least 2 blocks high, using any decorative blocks you like. With the structure in place, it's time for water. Carefully fill the jacuzzi, making sure every block is a water source block to create a smooth, flowing surface. You can add stairs or slabs around the edge for easy entry and exit. For an extra touch, consider placing sea lanterns or glowstone underneath the water or around the perimeter for a warm glow. Congratulations, your Minecraft jacuzzi is complete. Step in and enjoy the delightful bubble column effect, which will gently push you upwards. Feel free to personalize the surrounding area with plants, seating, or even a small changing room. This is your very own spot to unwind and relax after a long day of adventuring. Enjoy your new, bubbly oasis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.